Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your bank account onto the AndroMoney expense tracker application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AndroMoney application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken directly into your homepage. From here, you can check out all of your expense. But if you're just starting out, then this is exactly what it will look like. Now, in order to add your bank account and the funds that you have within it, just tap on the menu option at the top left corner and then tap on Account. This will now show you all of your accounts that are given to you within the application by default. Now, within the bank section, you can just go in and then tap on the new option to just add your current fund and then choose Income or Transfer. Now, within the From category, you may choose Cash, and then within the To category, you can choose your bank. Now you can leave the rest as it is, or you can modify the category and project if you wish. Now, since you are adding the funds that you already have, make sure you don't change the periodic option, which is set to once by default. Make sure that Included in Account Total is also selected, and then click on the Save option. This will now add the funds that is within your bank account onto the bank category right away. If you wish to add another bank account, then from the Account section, you can go into More options at the top right corner and then choose the new option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.